Okay, I'm back. I'm really sorry. This is a freaking chaos today. You should hear me now. Everything should work, so tell me in the chat if you can finally hear me. Yeah. Tell me, can you hear me? Good. Thank you, Bernard. Thank you. That's good. Jesus Christ, what the hell was that? Hello, everybody. Welcome back from Texas. Hey, Tony. So today is the first stream of the week. We had some technical difficulties with the internet, and even now, we're fucking having technical difficulties. So everything is finally fixed, and the stream is started. So as usual, we have 10,000 and a $500. So we will start the session, but we are waiting for people to come to the stream. But I can't with today. Such a chaotic bullshit. So anywho, we are starting our session. We have quite a few currency pairs, except for that one, 29% payout. Not interested. So I think we should start. We should find the best payout, and this is supposed to be euro, dollar, and euro GBP. So it looks quite a-okay, but tell me, how was your experience? Does it look like the first deal? I think it's a bit too late. As you can see, we obviously have the resistance. Let me show you the visual. So we have the resistance right here, and let's make it a bit smaller. So this is the resistance level that the price actually is banging. Not in that sense, but also we have a trend line. Come here. What are you doing? So we have resistance and a trend line, which we're gonna make thick. And we are actually starting to see that the breakout is happening. Should we enter into a deal for a downward trend? And yes, we should. So the first deal with the currency pair, Euro GBP. For fuck's sake, I did not see that it's 50% payout. Whoa. The fuck happened? Anywho, so the first deal is that really great for 3-minute expiration time. And we are using $50 from my account. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's because the whole week we didn't have any streams. I forgot everything. I fucking forgot everything. With this payout, just don't fucking look at it. Don't even look at this currency pair. Anywho, I'm going back to the chat because I'm done. We're starting not really nice today. Hi Best, how you doing? We miss you, Alice. Hello, Alejandro. Missed you too, guys, but for the most part, I was talking to a lot of you in the messages on my Telegram. Dog. Hey. That's in a sideways market. No, it's actually not. You can obviously see that there is a triangle. I showed everything to you. And maybe we will find a breakout. And let me explain what is a sideways market. So right now you obviously see a triangle, but we read it wrong because I was too fast and too stupid. But sideways, this small little piece of market, that's a sideways market. It doesn't really move upwards or downwards. It's just moving like according to some small corridor. It's like a flat. It's a really small part that I showed you, but right now here we obviously see an uptrend. Each low is higher than the previous one, and of course we also have the resistance. That was a triangle pattern and I read it wrong, but it is what it is. I'm done with it today, you know. And payout is, again, as I said, complete bullshit. complete bullshit. And unfortunately, this next deal is gonna be for $100 with the Martingale. Today is so chaotic. This stream started with no sound because of technical difficulties. The first deal is a complete bullshit, and I need to do something not to go crazy. And right here we see a really good uptrend, and there is some sort of resistance, and if we break through that resistance, we could enter into a deal. So let me show you that visual, this little. Anywho, the first deal is closed in red, which my mistake, my bad. But oh Jesus, who cares? So right here we have the resistance line, and we kind of broke through that level, and it's a retest. And also we have an uptrend. So what's going on? And candlesticks, what are they telling me? They kind of show me that I need to go into a deal for an upward trend. Second deal, currency pair, euro, US dollar. So I thought maybe we didn't go through this resistance, but looking closer, we kind of did it, and this is a retest of that resistance. And of course I put more attention to this trend line, and according to this trend line, this deal was opened for 3-minute expiration time and $100 used. So I'm going back to the chat, back to the chat. Tell me, how was your week? I haven't seen you for like what, like 5 days? Geez, so many days. Alice, I missed you so much. Missed you too. I'm waiting for a breakout from upside or downside. Yeah, that's also what I'm waiting for. I think that will happen, or already happened. But moving on to another currency pair because of the small payout. Hello. Support from Philippines here. Hello. Thank you. Hello, Alice. Nice to be here again. Oh, you're welcome. Ma'am, good evening. Hello to you too. Hello to everyone who is here right now. I'm saying hello to you with my words, and you can say hello to me with likes on the stream or little hearts, spamming hearts in the chat. And looking at the situation on the market, what the deal? Oh, it's not good. That's good. I don't like it. The day is not good, so guys, please, I'm begging you, at least try to make my mood better with your likes and hearts. I don't know if it's gonna work, but you can try, please. I don't understand what's happening on the market right now, on the chart, because it kind of looks like a breakout now. And because the main trend line that I talked about, it's supposed to be from this point. And can you go up, you bitch? And yeah, it's a breakout. Look at this. Yeesh. The VIP channel is also not doing well today. And this is a breakout at the point where we entered into a deal. Jesus fucking Christ. And it's too late to open a deal with the breakout. And the next deal is going to be opened for $200. Guys, tell me, am I the only one being like, a piece of shit? A piece of shit today? How was your day going today? Oh. What's going on? Look at this little bish. We kind of thought it's gonna be the breakout in the first one, and here we thought it's not supposed to be a breakout, and it happened like can I read the chart? I don't fucking think so, but I'll try my best to use my knowledge. Maybe the price will do the reversal from this level. Well, but it's kind of moving downwards. Maybe it will reach the level even lower, but it's too risky. That's why I am moving on to another currency pair, because the deal we're gonna open is gonna be for $200, and that's a lot of money. So I want to find something with good confirmation. We have an uptrend here. And how does this candlestick is reacting? And it's lagging a little bit. And tell me how the stream is going on. I think I fixed everything with the internet, but sometimes it's still lagging for me. Tell me if it's lagging for you. Anywho, so somewhere from this level we could enter into a deal for an uptrend. We're looking at Euro GPY, only deals for an uptrend, but for now we're trying to see the reaction of the price, and we're not trying to do anything too fast, because here we have quite an aggressive uptrend. We have a pullback happening, and maybe if somewhere from this level the pullback is going to be reacted and go upwards, we will open a deal for an upward trend, but for now, I'm not in a hurry, looking and waiting. What do you think, guys, by the way, about this deal? I think we should wait, and we should like look at the chart. And of course, while I'm waiting for this situation to happen, I'm not opening a chat because I'm gonna miss the moment. So I'll try, to just sit the fuck down and look at the charts, not in the chat. Yeah, I see the price is kind of being pushed upwards with this shadow, but it doesn't say that much in our situation. In general, I don't know. If it doesn't react to this level, it could react to this low. But from here, I don't think it's a good idea to do anything. For now, it's just dropping. This is dropping. Doesn't give a frickety frick. But anything. Kind of see, like, yeah, the price is still being pushed upwards because we have those long shadows, meaning that the price is, being pushed, as I said. But maybe we will wait for one more candlestick and see the reaction. Today is not my day. It's not my day. Yeah. Tell me how was your day. Make me feel better. Tell me if you got some money. Tell me if you got profit. Make me happy that at least someone is doing good today. So it's kind of moving towards this level. I don't know, should we risk it or not? It's like 89% of the payout, one of the best ones. Let's add Stochastic. Where's my favorite? Stochastic. Where the fuck is it? Oh, gee. Hello. So, looking at Stochastic, it is where it's supposed to be. But the price is still dropping. Anywho, let me get back to the chat for a couple of seconds, because I don't think it's much interesting for you to just sit down and watch me looking at the chart. I have one request. Don't use Jesus Christ and name in vain. Oh, I'm sorry. I see you, I hear you. I won't do that ever again. Really sorry. I don't know. Hopefully it goes up for you. We'll go down reverse area. You get bad if you keep asking money in chat. Was someone asking for money in the chat? I don't see that. But oh, thank you guys for, like, saying stuff when people do that. But yeah, I don't see what's going on, like, on this chart, because it kind of looks like a breakout at this point already. What do you think? Guys? Tell me, what do you think? To me, that actually looks like a breakout a lot, and I'm not a fan of working with them right now, so let's move on to something else. And all of the GPY pairs are going to be similar. And now we see GBP USD, we have the support level, and maybe if the price is going to react to that, let me give you the visual. Wink. And of course, globally, the price is in uptrend right now at this point. So globally, upwards movement of the price from the swing low. It was raising, dropping, and right now there is some consolidation happening. And even though this is kind of upweight, deals for an upward trend are much more preferable right now. But we need to see if the price is going to react to this level. And for now, we see that it's not reacting, and probably if it's not going to react, I will enter into a deal for a downward trend, because if the breakout is going to happen here, it's going to be a good situation. So we just need to see how the price is going to react to the level, and see if the price is going to go down up to the previous low or if it's going to rise again. And we don't have a good reaction for now. We have a lot of money on the deal, so not in a hurry. Oh, so tired, so tired. In general, it doesn't look that bad, but Stochastic also, by the way, shows us that we should go for a deal for an upward trend. But let me see what happened with the previous currency pair. And the reversal actually happened here. So we are entering into a deal here with Euro GBY for an upward trend. So on one hand, why are we doing that? We have a breakout of this trend line, you will say. But if we look closer and look at the structure of the trend, so we have the swing low right here and the next high, and the next low is higher than the previous one. Same situation there. Then we have a high and a low, even though it looks that it's lower. But if you look at the shadow, you will obviously see that it is not lower, and the structure of the trend is not broken, and I believe that the price is supposed to grow. It's a bit risky, but in general, I quite like the situation. So we are waiting for 2 more minutes, and I'm going back to the chat. Back to the chat. Where's the trend? They were going for FVG. Is it going for the fair value gap? Which currency pairs are you talking about? Tell me, Alejandro. GBP is a really good level of support. Oh, let me see. GBP USD. Well, I mean, yeah, we looked at this currency pair actually, and I put the support and the deal with actually happened, but I still have one more being worked on, so I'm not gonna use another currency pair. It just so happened that I clicked on Euro GPY and it happened a bit earlier than the one that you were talking about. GBP USD sell. I'm 3 minutes. GBP USD sell. I thought you kind of need to do something vice versa, but you do you, boo. Hope this deal will close in black. Yeah, I hope so too. Euro GBP, yes, it's ready to go higher. Great trade. Yee, I think so too, because the structure of an uptrend is not broken. Stop asking for money. Yeah, my moderator told me that someone was banned for 10 minutes, so I guess it's someone who was doing that. I always forget it's afternoon. Yeah, in Texas it's just early morning, and for me quite late. It's quite late. So we have 30 seconds left for the deal, and shush are you doing? Don't even grow, like you need to stop. Just stop where you are. Or yeah, you can rise, but just don't drop. Because if this one is going to be closed in black, we are going to get our profits. Stop doing that. Stop that. Stop that. And the deal is closed in black. That's amazing. $378, but only $28 of those are the actual profit for us, because the first deal I made a huge mistake. On the second one, also a mistake, but not as bad. But still, we got the profit back. GBP USD with the situation here, and a deal for a downward trend is actually doesn't look that bad. Doc said that he opened a deal for a downward trend, but I think it was too early, maybe, when you opened it. But we see that getting closer to our support level, the price actually is dropping, dropping, and dropping, and we kind of see some sort of like a triangle. And if this level is going to be broken through, we will enter into a deal for a downward trend, but only when the price breaks through the support level. So because of that, we need to wait and we will move on to something else. And payouts are not really nice today, but GBP AUD is quite okay, 89%, but the chart is complicated. My brain doesn't want to work today with that. So moving on, and the structure of a downtrend, and the price is in the lower point. It's kind of like jumped upwards, but do not see any clear entry points. So now we need to find something easy, simple, obvious, understandable. So here we have obvious uptrend, no trend line though. From which level we should enter into a deal for an upward trend? Maybe when the price reaches that level? Possible. Well, it's possible. Because right here we have like what, 3, and that would be the 4th touch of some sort of support. Kind of sounds logical, but what I don't like, the last low is lower than the previous one. So we can say that the structure is kind of broken, but still doesn't look that bad. Of course, when the structure is not obvious, we need to look at the reaction of candlesticks. And speaking of candlesticks, I think tomorrow the new video is going to be uploaded on the channel, and it's going to be about candlesticks. And in this case, candlesticks are telling me to open a deal for an upward trend. GBP, GPY 3-minute expiration time using $50 from the count bounds. So explain why this deal is risky. It's because it's quite not obvious that the price kind of is jumping from one of those levels, and this last low, previous low, is lower than the previous one, which means that the trend is actually quite dying at this point. So I was waiting for the candlestick reaction, and I see that at this level buyers are activated, and I think that the trend is gonna have some time to still be alive and active, and we will see if I was right in 2 minutes. And for now, going back to the chat. I want my trade, dog. If you're talking about a downward trend with GBP USD, amazing for you, amazing. And I will, by the way, I will look at that currency pair as well. Congratulations, first win of the day. Well, thank you. Well, actually had like good deals today on the VIP channel. But yeah, for the stream, that's the first one. Awesome trade, Alice. Thank you, dog. Don't know why I'm able to see you in your screen. Huh? Huh? I'm here. Everyone can see me. I don't know why you can't see me. Huh? I can see, check internet connection. Yeah, you just probably need to check the connection because everyone can see me. And yeah, I'm here. So the deal doesn't look that bad, and I hope that the price is not going to do a reversal with an impulse, and the deal is going to be closed in black. And while we're waiting here, let's go back to GBP USD, and the level is not broken. It's not broken, and the price went even higher. So this support level is up to date, up to this moment. But from this candlestick, it's too late. Too late, apologize. It's too late. So we will see what is going to happen here. Maybe we will try to find an entry point, because this trend line that went to our support level, that's obviously broken, and I wouldn't look into a deal for a downward trend right now. So right here we have 20 seconds left. So please, please just close in black, just like rise. So guys, as you know the rule of the channel, the price should rise and you need to spam the hearts, spam the hearts, spam the hearts in the chat or like up the video, and you did great. If you did anything at all, you did great and I'm really thankful. So we have $71 in profit today and situation doesn't look that bad anymore. What do we see here? Obvious resistance line, and yep. So obvious resistance, and we don't even need to talk about that. Euro CH had 3-minute expiration time, deal for a downward trend using $50. And Dog actually, I think, asked about horizontal movement of the price, and actually that's what we see here. We have really obvious support and resistance lines. This go away. It responds like at the same point, and it just like. Anywho, so we have the resistance right here at this level, and the support is right here. So logical thing to do if the price is jumping from the top part, we're entering into a deal for a downward trend, and if it jumps from the bottom part, we're entering into a deal for an upward trend. What is going on with the price? Like, look, what's happening? Like, it jumps upwards and it goes back to the same point where we entered into a deal. Like, what the heck? Like, some sort of magnets is there. Like, what? Like, what is going on? Can you just drop a little? Just like a little. Someone really wants the price to stay at that level. Like, what the heck? I don't understand. Oh me, oh my. So, okay, the price is finally moving down. A bitch. What are you doing? It went back to that level. It's not even moving upwards or downwards. It's staying at the same point. And now it's rising. Like, why are you doing that? You need to go back to your magnet. Go back to your magnet, you little prick. Haven't seen that like price is gonna jump at the same point. And anywho, the price went back to this same level, and probably it's gonna go down, or maybe it's gonna go a bit higher, and the deal is gonna be closed in red, which I hope it won't happen, but it's gonna be okay. We will enter into another deal for a downward trend, because that's a resistance level. It's not broken through, and even though the price is dancing around and doing some weird boobly boop, so I'm gonna prepare myself, and the deal is gonna be closed for $100, because globally I believe that the analysis of the situation is completely correct, and we need to enter into a deal for a downward trend, even if this deal is gonna be closed in red, which we have 987 seconds, and bummer. What, really? Oh, really? Oh, look at it. Yeah, we should enter into a deal right now. Let's risk it for the biscuit. We should have waited for the price to go even higher, but I entered here because I'm kind of afraid to lose the moment. So for now, I'm going back to the chat. Back to the chat. Back to the chat. Use volume indicator. I want to. I like it. No, thank you. I only took that one trade on GBP. Yeah, I know. Your GBP down, girl. I'm going there. I'm trying to find it. Yeah, I found it. It's too late. I'm sorry. I looked at the chat quite late, so I should have looked at it a bit earlier, but for now it is too late. Maybe somewhere there higher, that would be a good entry point, but for now this level could actually react. And let's go back to the chat. 3-minute sell. I hope I win. Your GBP down. I hope you won. I think you won because that looks quite good. Hey Alice, which one is good to use, RCI or stochastic oscillator? It depends on what you like. I like stochastic more, but I know that a lot of people love RSI, and I don't judge that. Good indicator. It also shows the same thing, but just a bit different, and it's a good indicator. But just in general, like, it's hard to say which indicator is better and which one is worse. All of them. All of them are quite good. It depends on your strategy and a lot of different factors. Yes, I'm on my trade. Yeah, that's what I said. Like, I was a bit too late, but you probably, not probably, obviously, opened it really on time. And Maverick, yeah, liking the stream and liking videos. Oh my God, supporting Alice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's really nice. And looking at the chart, the price is actually doing quite good. We have around 30 seconds left. And what else going on with the price? I feel like something weird. See, it's doing it again. I think some sort of internet connection problems I'm having, because it's weird when the price like freezes at one point constantly all the time, and I think that's just the internet provider problems. But for now, it doesn't really matter. We need the price just to stay where it is or go lower, because we have 2, 1, done, and the deal is closed in black, and we need to change the amount of money that we use for $8. So $107 in profit. And if the price actually reaches the support level, obviously we see it because this is a side movement, and we can enter into a deal for an upward trend when it goes to the support level. And it absolutely doesn't matter what happened before, because we have a specific trend happening right now. But price have not reached that point, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a notification, and when the price reaches that level, we will get a notification from the platform and get back to that currency pair. GBP USD. Aren't we having a resistance level on the top where the price actually reached it? No, it's lower. It's lower. It's right here. And probably it is going to be a breakout, or the price is going to do the reversal and go lower. But before this candlestick, we have a hammer. The candlestick with a small body and a really long shadow on the bottom. And that shows us the domination of the bulls. Bulls are dominating. Whoosha. And I'm not really comfortable working with a breakout right now, just yet. It doesn't mean that I don't want to do it, but for now, I'm not a big fan. And I hope that the price is gonna... Ooh, should we risk it for the biscuit? I will. Risk is what I'm doing today. So GBP USD price can actually go lower and get back to the corridor. If you are doing same things that I'm doing, don't recommend it. I'm risking it, but for now it's looking like a valid breakout. And see how much power this candlestick has. So we have 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let me get back to the chat. Gee. We're still late. Yep. We're still here. We haven't done much yet today, so hello, welcome, sweetheart. Thank you for reading my chat. Appreciate you, my idol. Oh, thank you so much. And you can ask questions. mind you guys, not only you can ask questions, you can become a student of our academy. To become the student of our academy, we have our link to my Telegram under this stream, under each video on my channel. Just simply text me personally and you will become the student of our academy. You will learn a lot more, and the streams would be another kind of time that you can like spend learning and having fun and asking questions and everything else. So, Euromed news, consumer, huh? What are you talking about? Huh? GBP USD, and well, I mean, that's what we're doing, GBP USD. And what the hell is going on? Like the second I go back, stop that, stop it and go upwards. Don't piss me off. Don't make me become the angry mother. Guys, I don't want to become an angry mother. Like the stream. Do the thing for the price to rise. And speaking of the academy, I haven't said one of the most important things in the academy, besides the videos that we have on in the academy on our course. We also have a lot of different good things, support from me personally, and also support from your supervisor. Besides that, we have a chat where you guys can talk to each other about anything and everything, in terms of trading, of course. And yeah, just come. You know, we have a link. It's free. Just come. Let's grow the community and all that jazz. Anywho, the deal is unfortunately closed in red, which is sad, and we will probably open a deal from the retest. So what is a retest? When the price breaks through a certain level and it goes back to the level to retest it, and it actually jumps upwards and continues with the movement. And for now, it's not really obvious. It feels like the price is gonna go back to the same corridor. So we will think about that. And we will see if the price is going to go back to the corridor, which it looks like that, or it will continue movement upwards. And we probably need to see the next candlestick. I don't know. Need to see. And if at this level the candlestick is going to be closed, then it's probably going to be a retest, and yup, looks like a retest. If these candlesticks showing us that the buyers are being really active, shows us that this is probably a retest, which we entered a bit early, and again, that's a risky deal on the same currency pair, GBP USD, for an upward trend for 3 minutes using $100 at this time. It's quite risky, but all the charts today are quite weird. So that's why I'm going back to the chat. Don't want to look at that one. Not sure in GBP USD. Yeah, me neither, dog. But I hope that the price is gonna go upwards. Hopefully. Our main goal right now is not to, know for sure what's gonna happen with the price. We just need to assume. So I think I assumed correctly. Euro GBP buy now, 3 minute. Yep. Dang, look at that. Euro GBP taking off, looking like 16 trade. I will go down it will go down in 5 minutes. Okie dokie. So, guys, for those who are watching this stream, how are you doing? How's your mood today? Because my mood is not going to be great today. And I'm going to move on to another currency pairs. Like, you can definitely see, I don't really have that much energy today. I'm really tired. I'm not fucking feeling good. And with this whole situation, I'm done. I'm not one of those people to start raging, but I'm one of those who just gonna crawl in the bed, curl up in the ball, and cry. I wanna cry. Of course, I'm joking, but yeah, it's just like, it's a lot today. The market is not really great. AUGGPY, we have a global uptrend. The structure is sort of like a downtrend, but the structure of the trend itself is not broken, and that may be a flag pattern, and the price could rise. And I'm tired of risking at this point. GBP USD, fuck that. Fuck that one. Whoopsie doopsie. And AUD USD, not a bad trend. It's quite stable. Maybe we will find an entry point for an upward trend. Maybe from this level, that would be nice. That would be nice. GBP USD, the deal is going to be closed in red. So that was not a breakout, that was a fake out. But it's a weird one. Maybe that's why I was like so blindsided and didn't see it, but it's fine. For the past like 3 weeks, all USD currency pairs are quite weird. AUD USD, going back to it, and right here I want to catch this moment to enter into a deal for an upward trend. The first one we already surpassed that moment, and we have two of them lower, and the price actually is moving downwards. Obviously, we need to find an entry point for an upward trend. We see really, really huge impulse movement downwards, but for now, I don't know. We need to wait for candlestick confirmation that the price is going to do the reversal, and I don't know, nothing else here. So let's move on to some other currency pair to find something more interesting. We had a breakout. The price has having like impulse drop. Nothing special. Euro GPY. If there is going to be a reaction from this level, we will enter into a deal for an upward trend, because we see the demand zone. The price jumped quite fast 2 times, and this is the third time when the price went back to this level. It's not obvious just yet, and we need to wait for a confirmation. Confirmation. Yeah, this is a good level. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Feel like I'm just like, falling apart. But I like the shadows of these two candlesticks, to be quite honest. How did the price react the last time? Yeah, last time the price actually didn't jump right away. There was a couple of movements. On the one hand, I don't really like this entry point, because it can kind of like dance around this level, and I don't want to lose money because just of dancing around, because like it happened last time from this level, like a bit lower than the level that we marked out. So I don't know. Yeah, now the price is actually moving downwards, and if from here it's gonna react, that's gonna be much, much better. Much better for me. Payout is not that bad, 87%, but 90% payout is like two of them, Euro GBP and Euro USD. Not that many places to go to, not that many. And the price is actually kind of reacting, kind of not. I don't know. Let me put a notification, and when the price breaks through that notification, we will enter into a deal for an upward trend. And for now, let's move on, because I don't want to waste time sitting down and just looking at one current pair, because we can lose a couple of them instead of like, not instead of, I want to talk, I can't talk. And from here, the price actually also jumped upwards quite fast from this demand level. And the level is somewhere right here. What the hell? I hate working with touchpad. I can't do this. So the price is somewhere at this level, and if there's gonna be an impulse movement upwards, most probably we will enter into a deal for an upward trend. Most probably, and Stochastic also shows us that the price should go upwards. What do you think? What do you think? Here actually price almost immediately left the level, and before that this level not really was like reacted to, but in general I like the situation. So let's risk it for the biscuit. Euro USD, a deal for an upward trend, 87% payout. When I was looking it was 90. Anywho, 3-minute expiration time using $200. From this demand level, we are entering into a deal for an upward trend, and we will see what's gonna happen. And for now, I'm moving back to the chat, and looking at what you are talking. You need to take a nap. Yeah, I should. I need it. I really need it. Hey dog, let me get contact. FOL strategy. US session opening. Yep, that's why the market is going a bit crazy. And through there is an entry AUD USD. What's up? AUD USD. What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, I'm probably a bit too late, but yeah, that was actually good point. Good point. Good idea. If you entered into that deal, I think that's a good one. And tell me if you're gonna get the profit out of it or not. But in general, I would probably wait for that level as well. But yeah, as I said, not bad, not bad. Tell me if you're gonna get the money. A little too late to enter, probably. Alice, you should have asked for mouse. Yeah, I know. I know. I mean, I can have it, but my laptop is busy with like different cords, so I can't use a mouse. That's why I'm using fucking touchpad. Check it well. It has broken the trend. Huh? AUD-USD? AUD-USD? What are you talking about? You want to enter into a deal for a downtrend? I'm opposed to that. Opposed to that. I think we could enter into a deal for an upward trend, but not for a downward trend where the trend is broken. If you're looking at trend line, then yeah, trend line has been broken for quite a while. Let me show you. But if I'm talking about another currency pair, just like leave it in a chat. Leave it in the chat. So somewhere from here, the trend started, and it looks kind of like that. So globally, trend line is not working at this moment anymore. So in general, yeah, it's not working. The trend line, it's not working right now. What the fuck is going on again? Like, seriously. Seriously, we have 10 seconds left. Oh, grow, please. Oh my god, guys, tell her. What is she doing? I don't want to be like, put any genders. Bitch. Well, I mean, I didn't lose anything. I got the money back. I get the money back because it was closed in the same moment where we entered into a deal. So we waited for 3 minutes to get nothing. That's upsetting. Euro GBP 91% payout. Don't see any entry points. AUD USD. So let's look at it again and analyze it a bit. I still don't believe that the price is going to go down right now. It looks to me that it's supposed to go upwards. Again, I think it's too risky for now, so I'm not gonna do it. But globally, I don't think the price is gonna go down. Down. So moving on to something else. A little something. Should we risk it again with Euro USD? The price should go upwards. I don't know. Your opinion. Tell me your opinion. What do you think? Why am I always the one who explains all of my decisions? Explain yours. Me being passive aggressive. I'm sorry, guys. Anywho, so we have a lot of shadows on the top, but we don't really have shadows on the bottom. In general, we can't enter into a deal. And Stochastic also tells us, bitch, what are you doing? Get the money. Oh, I'm sorry if that was loud. I'm sorry. But we will probably wait for like something where the price is going to be higher than the shadows. Maybe that's going to be a bit too late, but that's what I'm thinking. Euro GBP. Nothing. AUD GPY. Huh? It's hard to tell. It's kind of the downtrend, but it's jagged, so not great. GBP, CHF, not a bad currency pair, but not in the moment. AUD, CAD, quite an interesting downtrend. We had a really good entry point, like right at that level. So great, but we lost the moment. So let's move on to something else. EUD, USD. And I think my idea is working that the price should go upwards. Like, look, it reacted like 3 times, and there was a 4th time in the past. I would wait, maybe if it's gonna go lower just a little bit. I see that it's pushed downwards, but I still believe that it's gonna go upwards. Which one were we looking at? Euro USD. I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk it now. So, not the most optimal entry point. So the logic is still the same. This demand zone, the first deal was closed in 0 because the price closed right at the level where we entered. And let's see if the price is gonna rise the second time. So going back to the chat, going back to the chat. AUD USD, buy. AUD USD. What? Yep. Oh, you need to catch that moment, like in the lower position, to enter into a deal for an upward trend. I disagree. I disagree with what? AUD USD. I am in. 5 minutes expiration. Yep. Anywho, guys, so I have a question for you. Are you subscribed to the channel, everyone who is right now here? Because when you subscribe, it helps the channel a lot, and just in general, like, it helps you in your life, you know? I'm not always that stupid like I am today. Especially if I can just, like, you know, sit down or sleep before and then sit down and like show you what I know, then I'm quite smart, you know. I wouldn't really have a good day today. Like last week we had a really good couple of days where all the deals were just like pam so fast. But I mean, the market is not as easy as it was for the past like a week or 2 or even 3. Look at the price. What is it doing? Don't like it. Me no like it. Me no like what's going on. No like. And we will have to find another entry point. Really freaking good entry point. We have a breakthrough, come back, and probably that's a retest, so not a good point to enter into a deal. Moving on. GBP, USD, we have fireworks outside. People are celebrating. Do I have something to celebrate? The price is just a little higher than the entry point, but we still have like 7 seconds left, and I think it's either going to be closed in red. That's just going to be just... Oh, this one is closed in red. That's bullshit. we need a good entry point where we're definitely going to get the money, and that's probably going to be the last one, because if everything is so hard for me, we just need to acknowledge that nothing's going according to the plan and stop. I believe in this one. This is a quite a good level. I hope you don't hear the fireworks. I don't know what's going on. But here I believe that the price is going to do the reversal and go down, and the breakthrough was actually with an impulse and a really slowly growth. So I'm hoping for an impulse downwards again, reacting to the level. Getting ready. Euro GPY. Open your Quotex, open your pocket option, whatever. Look at Euro GBP. Speaking of which, guys, tell me if you use pocket option. Tell me if the payouts are better, because last stream people were saying that Quotex has better payouts, and I just want to know. I just want to know because I'm not using pocket option for quite a while. I haven't been using that. So, entering into a deal Euro GBY from the retest of support level for 3-minute expiration time using $400. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, and I do not like it. And that's one of the problems of the stream. Basically, in real life, even with the last deal, I would probably stop in real life with a really small profit or even with a really small loss. But instead of that, on the stream, I'm working until I'm freaking pissed to show like good results, you know, because I have you guys here. I want to show as many examples as I can. As I always say, like I explained it multiple times. But I don't know. I have a heartache. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm getting nervous. Maybe I'm getting old. First time for me to win that many on a certain pair before. Lucky. You're lucky. I'm so happy for you. 3 days, 100% on profit. Dope. I lost AUD USD. AUD USD. What was there? I don't even remember. AUD USD. What? For now for a trend. I don't know. Yeah, if you entered into a deal for a downward trend, I can see why you lost it. And with your GPY, I'm just like, I'm done with this bullshit. But I hope there is going to be another retest right now, and the price is going to go down, down, down. And for the price to go down, 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 you guys need to spam the hearts. So if the deal is going to be closed in red, we have two scenarios. Scenario number one, we can say, Kai, so it's bullshit. We need to rest today and we will lose around $600. It's not good, but in general, it's trading. It's fine. Like not even 600, around 700. That's gonna be sad. But at the same time, I don't see that the session is working quite well, and the next deal is going to be for $800. I don't want to do that. Or we should stop and think about it tomorrow. I don't know. I don't want to continue. Because see, like, what the frick? We have 15 seconds left, and the deal is most probably going to be closed in red. So what do you think, guys? Leave your comments in the chat. Should we do one more deal, or we should like continue tomorrow? Because tomorrow we can start the deal, start the stream with $800. Because right now I don't like payouts. I don't like what's going on the market, and the deal is freaking closed in red. Quotex doesn't show the notification, but according to timing, yep, the deal is closed in red, meaning we lost all the money. But still, globally, I believe that the price is gonna go down, and the deal would be closed in black right now. I can't. What a bitch. What a bitch. Let's look at this currency pair. Like 89% payout, not too shabby. Do we have any levels? No. but maybe from this point, the price is going to react to it because we had an impulse growth. I know, I will look and scroll through currency pairs, and I would only work with a currency pair where I'm like 99% sure, because we're using $800. That's too much to, you know, risk it for the biscuit. So let me have a couple of minutes to look at currency pairs. I don't give a fuck. Risky? Yeah. Risky for $800? Yeah. Well, what can you do? I don't think we will find anything better. 91% payout. I don't think we will find anything better. And if we should enter into one more last deal, that's going to be this one. This is the level from which the price couldn't jump upwards. It retested, and according to this retest, it went downwards. The level that could interfere with us, it is in the past because we went past it already. And from like near future is so far away, like nothing in the near future, near past. Gee, what are you doing? Oh, so loud. Anywho, so according to this retest, Euro USD 3-minute expiration time using $800. And let me look in the chat. Let me look in the chat. You can stop after that. Too late. It's time to walk. Too late. Now let me get your codex. Yeah, better to stop, coach. The market is unpredictable. Yep. Definitely. Thank you so much, guys. Like, seriously, no joke. I understand that I'm doing a like really stupid thing right now, and I'm really happy that you're telling me to, like, it's time to stop. Hello, girl. Like, it's time to stop. That means that you understand that the market is unpredictable right now. This is the time for me to stop. But, you know, I'm crazy. But if this deal is closed in red and we lose the money, we gotta fucking stop this bullshit and go to sleep. I need to take a nap. And we will continue tomorrow. But for now, we're still here. And we have a notification. We thought to enter into a deal for an upward trend, but it's been so long ago, so forget about it. We have 50 seconds left. And to be quite honest with you, I don't wanna see, because I don't like this tail, because it tells me about bad things, about real fucking bad things. I hope the last 30 seconds won't ruin anything. So we have 20 seconds left, so let's just read comments. I don't want to see it. I don't want to fucking see. Oh yeah. Anywho, we have 10 seconds left. Ooh, it looks good. Ooh, please. Ooh, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and fucking done. We did it. We got the money back. And we even got a little bit of a profit. This is what I call a fucking comeback. We are not continuing this one. $85 in profit. That's a small profit, but still a fucking profit. You know, that's not a loss. Because we were supposed to lose like $700 and we had a profit with $85. And this is the time for me to stop because the market is fucking unpredictable. I am fucking unpredictable. That's the time to stop. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'm going back to the chat to, you know, quickly talk to you. Thank you everybody who was here. The last deal was not the one that you need to look at and, you know, take any lessons. Don't take fucking lessons from that deal because that was too risky. But anywho, we didn't get the really good profit, but I'm finally smiling. Yeah, you're right. I got my smile back. So I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for being here and supporting me. And besides the stream tomorrow, you will also get a new video, most probably. But anywho, I'll see you tomorrow, and I hope you have a really good day.